Then lift the baby into tummy again. And then, let the baby supine. Okay, on your lap. Ako. Makasupahin pa kaya lang ako. Diba? Hindi naka-vertical lang ako. Nakahiga at hindi pa siya nakaupo. Then, what you have to do is, tanggalin yung kamay ng may towel. Then, you sandwich the baby in between your head and your elbow. Hindi hand to hand. It's between elbow and head. Then, bring the baby into sleeping position. Nakasupahin siya kumari Then, sandwich the baby between your hand and your elbow, then bring the patient into sitting. Ano siya? Bilis ang towel na. Then, bring the patient near your body until the towel is right after the patient's mouth. And then, this one free hand, pass or rush. Okay? The next would be Roman lap. Roman lap is done this way. Lalagay yung towel sa lap. Kunin yung bata. Okay? Tummy to tummy again. Okay? This time, you will have to transfer the hand na nasa below papunta sa leg. Then, bring the patient to find lying across. Yung towel this time ay nasa tapat ng ulo. Sa itiwan lap, yung towel opposite ay nasa tapat ng ulo. Bakit kailangan maiwan yung isang kamay dito? Para pag tinurn mo siya, it's forward. Frozen left hand. Kapag tinanggal mo yan, at umiga mo yan, ito ang bibitawan mo Ito ang ihawak mo. Turn siya away. Do not turn the patient away from you. Unless there is a side raise, kung magkakaside, tuhod mo yan. Okay? So, kuhanin mo yung support, gagamit pinangkuha mo, turn the baby, sandwich the baby between your hand and hand, then prone on your lap. Pag ang bata ay saktong na-turn sa tuhod mo, o sa thigh mo, turn mo yung ulo niya sa gilid, kasi sumakay. Then, okay, rubber band. Pero let's say, for example, nung i-turn mo siya, hindi exact sa lap. Hawakan mo na lang yung baba o yung neck. Baba, o kaya yung noo. Then, bring the patient into a relaxed position. Then, while holding the chin or while holding the head, back or down. Okay?